Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Roger, and Roger is a friend of the practice, and we have his initial surgery video from about 2 years ago. He's actually had 2 surgeries with us, and then prior to our surgeries, he had 2 surgeries kind of with the old school plug method. And I'm going to put this side by side there, but you can really see that he has come a long way. Even after his first surgery was a big improvement, but now this is like sort of the final, this has really sort of put him over the edge in terms of really reframing his face and getting the density. He's actually wearing his hair natural, blowing it out, growing some length on it, doing all the things he can to maximize density. But what a difference. Roger, how has your whole experience been? I mean, I know you've been through a lot, and now you finally are reaping the benefits of sort of the whole process. But what do you think of your hair? What have people been saying? And tell us how you feel.
That's absolutely correct. It was, it's a difficult process, but once you get past the process and you get past all the things you need to do, obviously the fruits are showing right now that I'm much happier with my hair. I'm much happier that I'm able to blow dry it for the first time in probably 20 years. It's the last time I blew dry my hair, because unfortunately it just didn't look right when I did it because of the density and the thickness wasn't there. But certainly after these 2 procedures, I'm very pleased.
Awesome.
With what I have.
And he, at this point, he's happy. He's not going to have any more procedures, and I can't blame him. He's been through the ringer with procedures. If he really wanted to, he could get more. But actually, we were just saying, he has more hair than most people his age have. So, he's going to have this hair permanently. Nothing to worry about now in terms of this hair falling out. So, Roger, thank you so much for being a friend of the practice, advocating for us, and look forward to...
I just want to thank you and the staff here. They did a wonderful job, and I'm very, very happy. And I'd highly recommend using Dr. Huebner and his staff here in Fort Lauderdale, or whatever location he has around the country. Absolutely, I highly recommend using his services.
Thanks for the kind words, Roger. Thanks. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.